What does this traffic sign mean? A. Turning right prohibited. B. Turning right mandatory. C. Passing right mandatory. Correct answer B. Turning right mandatory. What does this traffic sign mean? A. End of the priority road. B. Warning for unpaved road surface. C. Warning for a road narrowing. Correct answer C. Warning for a road narrowing. What does this traffic sign mean? A. Passing right mandatory. B. Warning for a curve to the right. C. Turning right prohibited. Correct answer A. Passing right mandatory. Which foot do you use to operate the brake pedal in a car with automatic gears? A. Left foot. B. Right foot. Correct answer B. Right foot. What does this symbol mean? A. Anti-lock braking system. B. Battery. C. Diesel particulate filter. Correct answer C. Diesel particulate filter. What do we call the lift pedal on a vehicle with automatic gears? A. Brake pedal. B. Gas pedal. C. Clutch pedal. Correct answer A. Brake pedal. What does this symbol mean? A. Cruise control. B. Airbag. C. Motor management. Correct answer C. Motor management. What does this symbol mean? A. Airbag. B. Cruise control. C. Steering problem. Correct answer C. Steering problem. What does this traffic sign mean? A. Recommended speed. B. End of the motorway. C. Warning for a steep descent. Correct answer A. Recommended speed. What does this traffic sign mean? A. Warning for equestrians. B. Cars prohibited. C. Warning for horses. Correct answer A. Warning for equestrians. What do we call the lift pedal on a vehicle with manual gears? A. Gas pedal. B. Handbrake. C. Clutch pedal. Correct answer C. Clutch pedal. What does this traffic sign mean? A. Turning right prohibited. B. Turning left prohibited. C. Turning left mandatory. Correct answer B. Turning left prohibited. What does this symbol mean? A. Turn signals. B. Red fog lights. C. High beam. Correct answer C. High beam. When do you consume the least fuel? A. Doesn't matter. B. At a low RPM. C. At a high RPM. Correct answer B. At a low RPM. What does this traffic sign mean? A. Warning for a curve to the left. B. Entry prohibited. C. Turning around prohibited. U-turn. Correct answer C. Turning around prohibited. U-turn. What does this traffic sign mean? A. Dip in the road. B. Begin of a tunnel. C. Warning for a speed bump. Correct answer C. Warning for a speed bump. What does this traffic sign mean? A. Trucks prohibited. B. Warning for trucks. C. Mandatory line for trucks. Correct answer A. Trucks prohibited. What does this traffic sign mean? A. Mandatory path for cyclists. B. Warning for a road narrowing on the right. C. Warning for a road with two-way traffic. Correct answer B. Warning for a road narrowing on the right. What does this traffic sign mean? A. Warning for a roundabout. B. Stop and give way ahead. C. Give way ahead. Correct answer C. Give way ahead. What does this traffic sign mean? A. End of the priority road. B. Give way to all drivers. C. Warning for an uncontrolled crossroad. Correct answer B. Give way to all drivers. What does this symbol mean? A. Handbrake. B. Cruise control. C. Engine temperature. Correct answer C. engine temperature. When do you consume the most fuel? A. Doesn't matter. B. At a high RPM. C. At a low RPM. Correct answer B. At a high RPM. What does this traffic sign mean? A. Passing left mandatory. B. Turning left mandatory. C. Overtaking allowed. Correct answer A. Passing left mandatory. What does this symbol mean? A. Handbrake. B. Defrost rear window. C. Engine temperature. Correct answer B. Defrost rear window. How many pedals does a vehicle with automatic gears have? A. 2. B. 3. C. 1. Correct answer A. 2. What does this symbol mean? A. Handbrake. B. Windshield washer fluid. C. Steering problem. Correct answer B. Windshield washer fluid. What does this traffic sign mean? A. Driving faster than indicated mandatory minimum speed. B. Begin of a built-up area. C. Driving faster than indicated prohibited speed limit. Correct answer C. Driving faster than indicated prohibited speed limit. What does this traffic sign mean? A. Turning left mandatory. B. Turning right mandatory. C. Passing left mandatory. Correct answer A. Turning left mandatory. What does this traffic sign mean? A. Warning for snow. B. Warning for a slippery road surface. C. Cars prohibited. Correct answer B. Warning for a slippery road surface. What does this traffic sign mean? A. Warning for cattle on the road. B. Dead end street. C. Warning for tractors. Correct answer A. Warning for cattle on the road. What does this symbol mean? A. Preheating. B. Engine temperature. C. Cruise control. Correct answer A. Preheating. What does this symbol mean? A. Handbrake. B. Battery. C. Cruise control. Correct answer C. Cruise control. What does this symbol mean? A. Airbag. B. Handbrake. C. ABS. Correct answer A. Airbag. What does this traffic sign mean? A. Warning for a traffic light. B. Warning for a movable bridge. C. Crossing for pedestrians. Correct answer A. Warning for a traffic light. What does this traffic sign mean? A. Cyclists prohibited. B. Crossing for pedestrians. C. Mandatory path for cyclists. Correct answer A. Cyclists prohibited. When do you consume the least fuel? A. At a high gear. B. At a low gear. C. Doesn't matter. Correct answer A. At a high gear. What does this traffic sign mean? A. Warning for a railroad crossing with more than one railway. B. Entry prohibited. C. Warning for a roundabout. Correct answer A. Warning for a railroad crossing with more than one railway. What does this traffic sign mean? A. Warning for trams. B. Warning for a railroad crossing. C. Warning for trains. Correct answer A. Warning for trams. Which foot do you use to operate the gas pedal in a vehicle with manual gears? A. Left foot. B. Right foot. Correct answer B. Right foot. What does this traffic sign mean? A. Warning for a dirt road. B. Warning for trucks. C. Warning for tractors. Correct answer C. Warning for tractors. How many pedals does a vehicle with manual gears have? A. 3. B. 1. C. 2. Correct answer A. 3. What does this traffic sign mean? A. Mandatory lane for trucks. B. Warning for trucks. C. begin of a motorway. Correct answer A. Mandatory lane for trucks. What does this symbol mean? A. Dipped beam. B. Rear fog lights. C. High beam. Correct answer B. Rear fog lights. What does this traffic sign mean? A. Warning for cyclists. B. Lane for cyclists. C. Lane for motorcycles. Correct answer B. Lane for cyclists. What does this traffic sign mean? A. End of the speed limit. B. Cars prohibited. C. Begin of a motorway. Correct answer A. End of the speed limit. What does this traffic sign mean? A. Entry prohibited. B. Stop and give way to all drivers approaching from the right. C. Stop and give way to all drivers. Correct answer C. Stop and give way to all drivers. What does this traffic sign mean? A. Entry prohibited. B. Parking is allowed. C. Begin of a zone of pedestrians. Correct answer B. Parking is allowed. What does this traffic sign mean? A. Turning right prohibited. B. Dead end street. C. Turning left mandatory. Correct answer A. Turning right prohibited. What does this symbol mean? A. Battery. B. Engine oil. C. Handbrake. Correct answer B. Engine oil. What does this traffic sign mean? A. Turning right prohibited. B. Turning left mandatory. C. Warning for a roundabout. Correct answer C. Warning for a roundabout.